It's me. I am here. I'm okay. Everything's good. Um, it's my first video back in a while. I took a much needed break from making content here on YouTube, and I didn't plan on making a video today, but I got something in the mail. My buddy Chris Propfe just did his version of this video, and I wanted to jump on the bandwagon. So here we are. Thank you everybody that's reached out. Everything is good. I just needed time away from YouTube. Life got busy. Some things came up that were unexpected. Um, so all is good. Health is good. All that's fine. I'm just happy to be wanting to make this video. So, if any of you follow Chris Propfe, which please do, I'm going to copy his video below in the link. This weekend was a cool weekend for Monkees fans because this bad boy just came out. This is the 55th anniversary of Headquarters by the Monkees. 4-disc version with, I believe, a 7-inch record in the inside. This was put out by Rhino Records. And all of the other Monkees box sets that came out in my lifetime, it was before I was a big Monkees fan. And so to be able to grab this while it's still in print means a lot. Look at this packaging. I mean, it's fantastic. And it was only like $60, $70. A lot of packages like this are about 120 or 30. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and unbox this. I haven't looked at the contents. Actually, I started Chris Prophe's video before this, and just as he was getting into the nitty gritty of taking out the contents, I said, "No, I don't want to see your video, Chris. I don't want you to ruin this for me." So I was like, Chris, you need to get off my phone. I need to be surprised for the people. So I love you, Chris, but I couldn't watch it. I'm just kidding. I'm going to be watching Chris's remaining part of his video once I finish recording this. I just wanted to see what's in it for myself. Now, as I noticed, as soon as I take it out, it feels like it's like this kind of a leathery feeling, matted case, which is kind of cool. So let's open it up. And when you open it up, you see some studio notes on the side, very similar to the Monkees DVD box set that came out. There's the fellas. This was the third Monkees album, for those of you that are uninformed about the Monkees, which is fine. But this is the album where the Monkees decided that they wanted to take control. They wanted to play the instruments and make an album as the Monkees instead of relying on backing studio tracks, which for the most part, this was all done by the Monkees. So a very cool booklet, which I can get into at the end here. So let me just go through and see. And sure enough, top of the heap here is the 7-inch of All of Your Toys and The Girl I Knew Somewhere. Let's see the record on the Rhino label. Paper sleeve. Sorry for the glare. Really cool little extra to come with the set. So I'm happy to have that. Again, really high quality 45 picture sleeve case as well. Rhino knows how to do it. Not that Friday music stuff. And so then once you take that out, you see the CDs cupped inside of this nifty little case. So I'm going to take all of that out. And kind of cool at the bottom, when you take everything out, kind of a little ad in there. Hey, it's the Monkees, third album. So here you have the original album, and they all come in little sleeves. So it's a remastered version of the original in stereo. This is the January 1967 sessions, stereo and mono. Kind of an alternate cover. Some different studio pictures. Peter looking cool there with the beard. February 67. Look at cool Mr. Nesmith right there. with the beard, Mickey rocking the beard. And then March 67 and beyond sessions. Really cool picture there with Davey. Really cool stuff. So yeah, on the first disc you have Headquarters and More remixed, with bonus material, different versions of some of the songs, including a couple songs that didn't make the album, like 99 Pounds, Sally, If I Learn to Play the Violin. Disc 2, January 67, some gold star demos, some backing tracks. They have the song Love to Love, which ended up later on Good Times, and I believe one of the Missing Links albums. Disc 3 is the 67 sessions, alternate vocal takes. Let's see, Mr. Webster, Midnight Train. They do a version of 9 Times Blue, which later became a song on Magnetic South by Michael Nesmith. Acoustic version of Sunny Girlfriend. Disc 4, March 1967 and beyond. Let's see, Joshua Fit the Battle of Jericho. They have a version on here. A version of Pillow Time, the song that Mickey Dolenz mom wrote. Cantata and Fugue in C and W. That was another Nesmith track that ended up on his in his solo career. So really cool stuff. Let's take a look at what is in the booklet here. I don't want to make this too long of an unboxing. So we start out here. Some great pictures and some essays there. Again, I'm not going to go into everything. Oh, that's a cool picture. Look at Nez, the best. I wish I could grow a beard of any kind. But, you know, we can't all be men. Just some more good pictures of the monkeys. There's a cool picture of Peter and Mickey. Very young. It's incredible how young these guys were. Cool picture there of Mickey with the beard. Davey goofing off. A lot of people say that this is their favorite Monkees album. It's not mine. I'm a big fan of Good Times. You got all your credits back here. But this was kind of the start of the Monkees having a little bit more art in their albums. I mean, you had albums like this, The Birds, the Bees, Pisces and Aquarius. All of those albums were really, really, you know, they had some good, you know, songs that weren't just bubblegum pop. But anyway, there you go. There's the 55th anniversary. I think there's still a few copies. I think it was limited to about 5,000 copies or 2,000 copies. I can't remember. So get it if you can. It is really, really, you know, it looks like a really, really good set. And I'm really excited to get into the remix to see how that version of Headquarters compares with my other 2 CD versions. So there you go. Again, thank you everybody who's wished me well and all that. Hopefully I'll be back with some more videos soon. I know it's the end of the month coming up, and I'll definitely get back into my end of month series that I've done all this year. I wasn't going to let y'all down on that, even if those were the only videos I was going to do. So in the meantime, comment, let me know if you got this. Chris, I'm glad you got your copy. And everybody else, take care. Be good. Talk to you soon.